Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And as you guys can already see by the title, you guys, we're gonna be doing McDonald's today. You guys, this might come to a surprise to a lot of you guys, but look, their ice machine, their ice cream machine finally works. I got me a McFlurry, you guys, so we're gonna get into that. And also, you guys, well, I got me pretty much, let me see. I got me a Big Mac. You already know I have to go with the Big Mac, you know what I mean?
The ones that they admire, all of these niggas expire. Ice of the boss and we hire. Raising the hood where it's ours. They hopping on ship like a pirate. Hey, hey, driving the boat and I came for.
I got me a 10-piece chicken nugget.
Hood where it's ours. They hopping on ship like a pirate. Hey, hey, driving the boat and I came for the loot in the trap.
10-piece chicken nugget, and I got me some medium fries.
And I came for the loot in the tragedy. Niggas be hating, do better. Dropping them ashes, them burn.
That's pretty much what I got me, you guys, and they only gave me 2 sauces. You guys already know McDonald's, you gotta, give us a little bit more sauces, you know what I mean? That's all you guys saw. Let's get into this video real quick, man. Let me know if you guys like your chicken nuggets or barbecue sauce. I can't ask for ranch, but they don't give me no ranch. Look. They give me no ranch, no straw. But at least their ice machine works though. Because I was craving a McFlurry, so. So you guys, the reason why I got me a McFlurry is because, as you guys know, today's Tuesday, June 21st, and it's the first day of summer, so you know, summer vibes going on. Summer's like my favorite time of the year, you guys. Let me know what's your guys' favorite season. To me, it's summer, because you could be out and about, have some beers. But there's a lot of people that like being in the cold weather. I hate being in the cold weather, you guys. Especially when it's raining. I mean, don't get me wrong, you guys. I like cold weather. But not when I'm working. You know what I mean? Because that means you gotta get up from your bed when it's really cold or raining. If I wasn't working and it was gonna be cold and raining, I wouldn't mind it. That would probably be my favorite season. But I like summer, you guys. Even though it's gonna get super hot. I know it's gonna be real hot, you guys. Lately, it's been like in the 90s, you know. It's already hot. Let's get into this Big Mac, you guys. Sorry about the light, you know, it's getting in the way, but Big Mac right here. These are probably my top favorite items. Big Mac chicken nuggets, fries, and filet of fish. Those are my top favorite ones. Why I decided to do McDonald's? You guys, I rarely do McDonald's. I think I have one video, but it's been over like months, you know. And today I was like, you know what? a McDonald's video is long overdue. So fire. I should have got an extra mac sauce, but it's all good. You guys, I might invest into a little table so I can put it here. So I'll be holding it, holding the food. But I feel like this, I mean, I feel comfortable eating like this, but it's just for you guys so you guys could see the food a little bit more. So, what's up, you guys? How you guys been? Thank you guys for the love and support you guys been showing me on my videos, for real though. Truly do appreciate it. And let me know what you guys got planned for the summer. You guys got any vacations? I know a lot of people are gonna be taking trips to Las Vegas, so shit, I might take one myself. I have a couple of videos that I need to film over there. Later, you guys, if I take a trip to Las Vegas, I'm gonna film like about 5 videos. I have like 5 videos ideas just top of my head. I have a couple places I need to go. And yeah. Just be out there for the summer, you know, drinking, getting in the pool. Whoa. Wait. Ooh. I'm so glad the ice cream machine works. So let me know if this is true, you guys. So there's like a theory. I'm not sure it's a theory or if it's like some legit shit. But the reason why the ice cream machine from McDonald's doesn't work all the time is because they have to be cleaning them, right? And I've heard that those machines are really expensive to clean because the people who did it, they purposely did it for that reason. I'm not sure if it was to clean or to fix, but it's a pretty hefty big amount you have to pay. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy the McFlurry off camera. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, you guys. I know it was kind of like just me rumbling a bunch of, you know, random things, but you know what I mean. At the end of the day, you know, I'm bringing you guys a video, you know, mukbang, and hopefully you guys enjoy. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, you guys. Peace.